welcome back to my channel. My name is Neelam Gandhi, and if you are new to this channel, you are most welcome. In today's video I'm going to create this makeup look which is especially for Eid, and if you are someone who don't know anything about makeup, then this video is going to help you a lot. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So before I start makeup, I'm just tying my hairs, and after that I'm going to moisturize my face, and for that I'm using this simple moisturizer which is very gentle to your skin and it doesn't have any added fragrances. And after that I'm using this primer by Nykaa. It's a silicone based primer. This is very important step before you apply any base makeup to your skin. It just blocks your open pores and make your skin even. Over here I'm using this hack. I don't have a color corrector palette because I don't have too much skin issues. So here I'm using this red color lipstick to hide my under eye darkness, or wherever you feel that your skin is little bit dark, you can apply. And after that I'm blending it with the blender, with damp blender, and don't drag your product, just blend it by dabbing it. Now after that I'm going to apply this Nykaa Skin Gen foundation, and I'm going to mix a Swiss Beauty liquid highlighter into it in the shade Rose Gold. If you want a glowy look or dewy look, you can use this hack. You can mix a liquid highlighter and foundation, then you apply it to your skin. First I'm applying it with a finger. I'm making this dots, then don't forget to apply it to your neck, and after that with the help of finger I'm going to blend as much as I can. And after done with fingers, I'll use beauty blender again. Make sure that you are using a dab beauty blender. With the help of dab beauty blender I'm going to blend my product properly. So after that I'm going to use this Maybelline's Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand. I'm in the shade Sand, and I'm going to apply this at the highest point of my face, as you can see, under eye, over the eyelid, and at the bridge of my nose, chin and forehead. And make sure that your product had blended properly. Take your time to blend your product, otherwise it will look very cakey or very patchy. So after blending my base makeup, after this I'm done with my base makeup, and then after that I will set this base makeup with the help of compact powder. Or if you have very much oily skin, you can also use loose powder to set your product. I don't have that much, so I'm using this compact powder only. And for eyeshadow I'm using this orange shade first. It's a matte eyeshadow in the shade orange. I'm going to blend it at my crease area, from outer eyelid to an inner eyelid. I'm going to blend it properly. After that I'm going to take this dark brown color shade, and again I'll blend it with same technique. I'll apply it at the outer lid of my eye and drag it towards the inner lid. Here we are done with a base of eyeshadow. Then after that I'm going to use this metallic green color eyeshadow. With the help of my finger I'm going to apply from the inner lid of my eye till the middle of my eyelid. After applying it with my fingers, I'm using this eyeshadow brush, a small eyeshadow brush. With help of it I'm going to blend it properly. Then again I'm going to use this flat eyeshadow brush and using this golden metallic color and apply this shade to the middle of my eyelid, and will drag it till the end of my eyelid. As you can see, I'm just pressing it. And after that I'm going to use this another palette, and from this palette I'm using this dark green color shade, which I will apply at my inner corner of my eyes and at the waterline of my eye with the help of this small eyeshadow brush. After that, next step is to apply liner, and for liner I'm using a Maybelline's liquid eyeliner. You can use whatever eyeliner you like. And after that, now I'm going to apply kajal. I'm using a kajal by L'Oreal, and I'm not going to apply it to my whole eyes, but at the outer corner of my eyes. And after that, I'm going to use this Maybelline's hyper curl lash mascara. This is one of my favorite mascara, and as you know that I just love wearing mascara. After that, it's time to do my brows, and for that I'm using this Miss Claire's eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. First I draw a line, a guideline, then I fill my brows with gentle hands, and after that I just comb it with the spoolie given in the product. Then I'm going to contour my face, and for that I'm using this NYX contouring and highlighting palette, and I'm using a lightest brown shade. With the help of small angular brush, I'm going to apply the product to my nose and then blend it properly. As you can see, I've just done my nose. Then after that I'm going to contour my jawlines and cheekbone. First I'm applying the product, then afterwards I'm going to blend it properly. Make sure when you blend your jawline, blend it towards the neck, and when you contour your cheekbones or when you apply a product to your cheekbone, blend it upwards towards the cheek. So whenever you contour your face, just keep in mind this technique, then you will get a proper shape or cuts to your face. And with the help of a bigger brush, I'm going to blend it properly, and as you can see the shape of my face. Then after that I'm using this Flowers blush. It has a gentle glitter part on it, and I'm also after that I'm also going to use this Nykaa's blush to make it more to give more color to my cheeks. And here we come to my favorite part to highlight my face. I'm using this Maybelline's chrome highlighter in the shade rose gold. This is one of my favorite highlighter. I'm going to highlight the highest point of my face, at the bridge of my nose, my brow bone and my cheeks. And after that I'm using this NYX makeup fixer. Before you apply fixer, make sure to close your eyes and apply it all over your face. This will fix your makeup for long time. And after that I'm going to prep my lips. For that I'm using this lip balm by Blue Heaven, and I'm using this lipstick, a lip color by Maybelline in the shade Midtown Pink. This is one of my favorite lip color. I had also talked about this in my top favorite nude lipstick, top 5 favorite nude lipstick. You can go and check that video. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned watching this video. And आप सभी को ईद की बहुत बहुत मुबारक है, ईद मुबारक. और I just wish कि this pandemic gets over very soon and हम सब पहले की तरह हम सारे फेस्टिवल्स अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिलीज के साथ सेलिब्रेट कर सके. बट टिल देन stay safe, stay at home and take care of yourself and your loved ones. Bye bye.